And it is now mandatory for employees and customers to wear a mask or some sort of face covering inside of essential businesses in Pennsylvania. Eyewitness News reporter Crystal Cranmore is live this morning in South Philadelphia with how this new order is going to be enforced. Crystal.
Good morning, Janelle. Well, if businesses do not comply, they may get a warning on the first offense, but repeated offenses, they may get a citation, even suspension of their license. Now, if you do not have a mask like the one that I'm wearing, a simple bandana like this one will do just fine before you head into a business like this Home Depot in South Philadelphia. Otherwise, you could be denied entry. At the Acme grocery store in Philadelphia's Northern Liberties neighborhood, an employee stood by the door and made sure customers were wearing a mask or face covering as they entered the store Sunday night. Pennsylvania's new order makes it a requirement to do so when entering essential businesses like grocery stores and home improvement shops like this Home Depot in South Philadelphia, where customers were met with this sign. The mandate went into effect Sunday.
Having to sort of police that to get in the middle of a customer and entering the store, that's a concern.
The president of the Pennsylvania Food Merchants Association says he's also worried about the state now mandating businesses supply their employees with masks.
A lot of the PPE equipment is in very short supply. Our members are really working around the clock to try and follow through with the directive as best they can.
Under the order, employees must wear the face coverings at all times except to eat or drink.
The majority of the businesses that I've noticed are all adhering to that already.
Philadelphia's South 9th Street Business Association says its members are prepared to continue fighting the spread of the virus.
The more we can do to protect ourselves, the better.
Now, according to authorities, if a business supplies food, medical supplies, or medicine, they should be able to provide another way to deliver those services, like a curbside service, for example. Now, the order does not apply to those in the healthcare provider field or those who are medically unable to wear a mask. For now, we're live in South Philadelphia. Crystal Cranmore, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, Crystal, thank you. It is important to point out that the order does not apply to public transportation in Pennsylvania, although SEPTA is urging riders to wear face coverings and they are providing masks. But masks are